You don't want to be in the room, man.
No,
Because I'm doing my homework.
Wait, did you say it?
You can do it somewhere else.
Just that being such a happy mind. And now today's guest speaker, the creator of Danger Dog, Jeff Jenkins. Thanks, Chris. Next month we'll be airing the Danger Dog Easter Special. Would anyone like to see a sneak preview? Danger Dog, Neuterville needs you. I hope this is important. I've got a hot date tonight with Sarah Jessica Parker. Nice. Anyway, you're our enemy, Molly Ringworm, and Spring to destroy the city with her puke ring.
I remember when there was Danger
Their
Mouse.
bark is worse than his bite.
Oh, emotions.
If you freeze the frame, you can see that the chunks of bark are actually pictures of our animators and their friends. Are there any questions?
Yes, right here. Hello.
Yes, you.
What state does Danger Dog live in?
Michigan. Next.
Why does Danger Dog mean more to me than school or church?
Because those things suck. I have a question, Mr. Jenkins. Could you tell us about all the hard work and buckling down that you put into every cartoon? Are you kidding? This is the easiest job in the world. I spend most of my time eating candy and going to R-rated movies. Well then, tell the children how hard you studied in school to get where you are today. All I ever did was sit in class and do it. Like this one. It's what the principal would look like as a woman. Fire, children! Hurry outside! There's no time to let today's lecture sink in. Why'd you do that? I won't stand by while you're glamorizing sass. Now those youngsters will throw their lives